So you're getting ready to put up that website using Joomla. Or you've got one already, but you're looking here for help. Hey, that's a great thing. No matter which scenario is yours, you probably feel a little bit like the people in this next video.
This man right here is my great-grandfather. He's the first cat herder in our family.
Herding cats. Don't let anybody tell you it's easy.
Anybody can herd cattle. Holding together 10,000 half-wild short hairs, well, that's another thing altogether.
Being a cat herder is probably about the toughest thing I think I've ever done.
I got this one this morning, right here, and if you look at his face, it's just ripped to shreds, you know.
You see the movies, you hear the stories. I'm living a dream. Not everyone can do what we do.
I wouldn't do nothing else.
It ain't an easy job, but when you bring a herd into town and you ain't lost a one of them, ain't a feeling like it in the world.
So what is Joomla? Well, when you ask that question, you're really asking the question, what is a content management system, or CMS for short? In its most basic form, it's a software platform that aids in the management of content on a website. A slightly better definition is it's a software application that makes it possible for non-technical users to publish content to a website. It serves as a store for a wide range of information assets, text, images, databases, videos, etc., etc. Let's take a look at what a content management system looks like. A CMS splits all of your website into basically three different aspects, or three different areas. First is content. It's what you put into your site. The creative writing, the editing, maybe some HTML, maybe some PHP, CSS, whatever goes into your content items, those are all stored in a database. You have to think of it like three almost separate entities, instead of the old way of writing HTML where each page was constructed and was contained in a single file. There are no pages in a Joomla website. There are content items that are stored in a database. The next area is the creative design, the site design, page layout, all of those kinds of things. Those are actually separate from the content itself. The advantage that this gives us is that when you want to change the look and feel of your site, it's just a matter of simply uploading a new template, clicking a button, and your entire site, or any portion of it, changes without you ever editing the content or the actual pages of your site, which, if you remember, don't actually exist. They're stored in a database. The last thing that a content management system gives you is the technical design. This is the programming, the database, the PHP, Ajax, JavaScript, and this is what Joomla gives you as a package. Joomla creates all of the necessary code to produce the web pages that access your content and deliver it with your design. But all three of these things are separate. So when Joomla has an update, you don't have to worry about your content or your design, because it's only the core files that are being updated. When you want to change your design, you don't have to actually physically change any code in Joomla, because the two are separate. Similarly, when you want to change your content, you don't need to change your design, and Joomla picks up the new content that you've entered and creates brand new pages each time somebody loads your website. So in its very essence, that's what a content management system is. That's what Joomla gives you. The advantages are endless, but again, just to recap. One, you don't have to change your design when you change your content. You don't have to change your content when you change your design. And when you update your software that runs your website, it does so without changing either of the others. A CMS gives you incredible flexibility in your web design. This is a great time to talk about the forum support. Because you've signed up for this course, you have a great tool in the forums. I want to encourage you to click on the link at the top of the page and make sure that you're posting questions, reading other people's questions, and interacting with other people taking the course. It's a great benefit of this Joomla beginner training program. And of course, we'll be in the forums answering your questions. See you there.